Fruit crumbles are the easiest desserts you can make at home, and I'm going to change it up slightly by making a chocolate crumble. So for the crumble mixture, we're going to need some flour. So half a cup of plain flour. This is the base to a good crumble. So I'll measure that out and straight into a bowl. Not self-raising for this, you'll need a plain flour, and we'll add some cinnamon along with some brown sugar. You could also use caster sugar. Break that up. And then the all-important cocoa powder, so a generous amount of good quality cocoa powder. Also some salt, pinch of salt, and we'll just bring the dry ingredients together. Now it's all about working in the butter. So I've got a little bit of unsalted butter here. We're going to break that up with your fingers. A lot of recipes call for the butter to be quite cold. I don't think that's necessary. Kind of want this crumble to be really shaggy. So I'm going to work my dry ingredients into the butter, pop it onto a tray, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven. So yes, you can use this straight on an apple crumble or a pear crumble, but I'm going to show you a bit of a modern way to use this delicious chocolate crumble. All right, the chocolate crumble has come out of the oven, and place it onto a plate. I've got a poached pear because chocolate and pear are so good together. Put a generous amount of that on the side. To finish it off, of course, some ice cream, vanilla bean ice cream on the top. There you go. Slightly deconstructed, but gee, this is good because it's got all the textures there. The crunchy sandiness of that chocolate crumble, smooth pear and icy cold ice cream. That is a very simple dessert that you can put together. I think that looks like a very restaurant quality dessert.